Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about NBKC Bank. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's ask ourselves a question. Does NBKC Bank have any physical locations? This is a common question that people have, especially if they're looking for a bank they can walk into to do their banking. And the answer is yes. NBKC Bank does have physical locations. In fact, they have several locations in the Kansas City area. So, if you're looking for a bank with a physical location, NBKC Bank is a good option for you. Now, let's get into some of the details of NBKC Bank's physical locations. Where are NBKC Bank's physical locations located? NBKC Bank has physical locations in the following cities: Kansas City, Missouri; Overland Park, Kansas; Leawood, Kansas. What services do NBKC Bank's physical locations offer? NBKC Bank's physical locations offer a variety of services, including opening checking and savings accounts, applying for loans, making deposits and withdrawals, cashing checks, and more. How can I find the nearest NBKC Bank physical location? If you're looking for the nearest NBKC Bank physical location, you can use their website or app. You can also call their customer service number at 1-800-625-8300. So, there you have it. NBKC Bank does have physical locations. If you're looking for a bank with a physical location, NBKC Bank is a good option for you. But wait, there's more. I'm not just going to stop there. I'm also going to tell you about some of the other benefits of banking with NBKC Bank. One benefit of banking with NBKC Bank is that they offer a variety of checking and savings accounts to choose from. This means that you can find an account that's right for your needs. Another benefit of banking with NBKC Bank is that they offer a variety of online and mobile banking services. This means that you can bank from anywhere, at any time. Finally, another benefit of banking with NBKC Bank is that they have a team of friendly and knowledgeable customer service representatives. This means that you can get help with any questions or problems you have. So, if you're looking for a bank that offers a variety of services, online and mobile banking, and friendly customer service, NBKC Bank is a great option for you. NBKC Bank does have physical locations. If you're looking for a bank with a physical location, NBKC Bank is a good option for you. And if you're looking for a bank that offers a variety of services, online and mobile banking, and friendly customer service, NBKC Bank is an even better option. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and open an account with NBKC Bank today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.